Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VYST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red line down here is coming from. But after today's very nice movement, certainly some updates here need to be made. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 0045 would now be one of the newer areas of support to keep an eye on. The ideal level of support, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above 006. Now with that being said, if the price were to happen to break down below 006, by no means am I saying the entire chart is broken or anything like that. But yeah, preferably if the price could continue to stay above there, that would be an impressive sign of strength on the bull's part. So 006 and then again, 0045, taking a step back and looking at all of this from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way, but highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 006 would be great, but from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward right now. Multiple times today, the price got right up around the 0088 mark and couldn't quite push through it. So that seems to be the main kind of general level of where the sellers are hanging out at. But I think I might have said this on Friday. If I didn't, I'm going to say it now, or I'm just going to repeat myself. But resistance levels on charts like this really don't matter. What do I mean by don't matter? Well, what matters is what the chart's already been doing. And the chart's already been building these higher stair steps. Or in other words, the price has been building higher lows. So that's why I say if you envision these as stair steps, you can see the stair steps are progressing in the upwards direction. And at the end of the day, that's why just simply watching the lows. As long as the chart is building those higher bases, that's the name of the game, because with higher lows in place, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.